This just might be the cheapest wired RGB gaming mouse that we've ever reviewed on this channel. This is the Vantage Thorn Elite mouse, which is available from Quality Save and home bargain stores that are indeed budget home stores here within the UK. It retails right now at £4. Wow! That's only $5 in US dollars. What I've got to say initially, looking at the mouse at first glances, the design really doesn't look too bad really. Yep, it certainly has a gaming aesthetic to it. It has a soft matte black top surface, large, very clicky left and right main selection buttons, with a contoured base to comfortably rest your thumb while manoeuvring the mouse around. Now there is a noticeable accent of grey plastic moulding that is surrounding that very slick feeling, yet silent scroll wheel. That same rubber coated scroll wheel does have a selection button built in, and we do have some DPI settings from 800 DPI to 3200 DPI, which this mouse should be good for shoot 'em ups and real-time strategy games. Now we do get a forwards and backwards button to the left hand side, and as you can imagine, because this mouse has a low price tag, we don't get any type of braided cable. Instead, we do receive our, well, how should I say it? Well, in fact, you can smell it. It's a cheap, rubber-coated thin 1.5 meter cable. No, but it doesn't really provide us with confidence that this Vantage Thorn Elite mouse will last that long, to be honest. Especially if you're chucking it in your laptop bag every day, like I do. To power the mouse on, it does have that standard USB 2.0 connection. Like I mentioned before, this Vantage mouse does have RGB illuminating lights that do actually shine quite bright and loudly. But unfortunately, nope, you won't be able to switch these lights off, I'm afraid. I must say though, comfort wise, this Thorn Elite mouse really doesn't feel too bad in hand. It is a pretty good sized mouse with a top notch grip. For what it's advertised for though, that is gaming, is this mouse any good? Well, let's put it to the test. So first things first, we did use this mouse while browsing the internet. We didn't notice much, if all, any type of lag, only when it comes to the scroll wheel. So if you're dashing around with that scroll wheel, we did notice a slight bit of hesitation, and it doesn't actually feel like that wheel will last quite long with rigorous use. Now in general, looking at the rest of the buttons on this mouse, they did all work relatively well. The only thing I will note though is that back button to the left hand side of the mouse, it does trigger on a hairpin. So if you accidentally just rub against it with your thumb, it will simply back off the screen that you're on, which does become quite annoying at times, and this was noticeable by the way when we did in fact tap the mouse on a flat surface. So yeah, it was triggered with a simple tap of the mouse. Other than that, the DPI setting buttons worked really well while gaming. This is probably the biggest plus point when it comes to this mouse. So movement was very swift with no hesitations or glitches, and that is the same while moving the cursor around while browsing the internet. So we can switch between a very slow DPI setting to a super silky smooth movement using the highest DPI setting. Yep, the mouse does have a nice gaming look to it. The illumination of those RGB lights really does give it an aesthetically pleasing look. And just a note, we did test this mouse on different type of surfaces. So we tested it on a flat surface, on the edge of our leather couch, and even across a duvet cover. And what was surprising was that cursor, it stayed relatively very smooth. So no, there's no jumping around, and I think it's actually pretty good to use while editing too. I mean, for a £4 mouse, what else can you ask for? Okay, I don't think it's really going to last that long, to be honest. Maybe a good couple of months. But I have done a bit of browsing across the internet, and I've really found it quite hard to find a mouse less than £5 that is indeed an RGB gaming mouse. So for £4, if I was to rate this within the budget range category, I'm going to score this Vantage Thorn mouse a rating of 8 out of 10, and that is obviously securing it within a very low budget range category. Now if you want to check this gaming mouse out for yourself, I have left a link in the video description down below. In fact, if you're in the UK right now, if you're passing by a home bargain store, simply just pop in and pick yourself up a backup mouse, which is really what I'm going to be using this for. So yeah, go get yours. Now if you've checked that link out in the video description, it means so much if you also please smash a like and share this video wherever possible. Please subscribe to this channel just now, I'd very much appreciate it. Bearing in mind also to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been great finding some, well, very low budget tech this week, and we hope to be doing some more fascinating tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!